Hello everyone, good evening. Welcome back to my channel, Belagali's class. Friends, we have started with coordinate geometry. I told the brief story behind the coordinate geometry. Its birth name is algebraic geometry. I told the very important person who Rene Descartes, nickname Mr. K. Nickname is Mr. K. That K led to the Cartesian coordinate geometry. Mr. K. This Mr. K led to a Cartesian coordinate geometry to avoid the way of writing this lengthy. The friends made it in short only coordinate geometry. Yes, my friends, this plays a very important role. Coordinates of a point, my friends, in brief, this is a horizontal line which is known as x-axis. Vertical line y dash is known as y-axis. Their point of intersection is known as origin. The system consisting of x-axis, y-axis, origin, that entire system is known as coordinate system. The plane that contains x-axis, y-axis with the origin, that plane in coordinate geometry known as xy plane or Cartesian plane. One more name, it is a rectangle here. It is a rectangular axis. X and y axis together are known as coordinate axis or a rectangular axis. Yes, my friends. Friend K represented what? A point with the help of what? Two mutually perpendicular lines intersecting at the point O. This is how he represented. Let P be any point in the xy plane. If I refer with xy plane, it is a plane that contains x-axis, y-axis with their point of intersection. Point of intersection. Yes, my friend. Let P be a point in the xy plane. Draw PM perpendicular to x-axis. If you draw PM, you are observing two distances. Distance of P from y-axis. Again, distance of P from x-axis. Distance of P from y-axis named by the friend as what it is? X coordinate of the point P. X coordinate of the point P, this distance OM is x. It is known as x coordinate of the point P. It is a distance along x-axis. Otherwise parallel to x-axis, anything. Next distance is PM. PM is what? Taken y. This y is named as y coordinates of the point. It is a distance parallel to y-axis. Otherwise, if you draw like this, ON becomes along. In brief, I am telling short. This is what? Distance parallel to y-axis. From this, my friends, remember, if you take a point P in the xy plane, if you draw a perpendicular, then distance along x-axis will be the x coordinate, that is x. Distance parallel to y-axis is y coordinate of the point P. Yes, my friends, remember this. Then I went through so many things, man. If a point lies on x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. Therefore, coordinates of M, x comma 0, y 0. It is on x-axis. Its distance from M to x-axis is 0. Therefore, its y coordinate is 0. If a point lies on y-axis, then its x coordinate is 0. Then what are the coordinates of a point on the y-axis? X coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is y. 0, y. a point on x-axis, x comma 0, a point on y-axis, 0 comma y. It is a point of intersection. Which one? Origin. This origin is what? 0, 0. Coordinates are 0, 0. My friends, this is the basic. Then everything is told. Next comes theorems. First one, distance formula. Obtain the relation, otherwise find the distance between the 2 points x1, y1, x2, y2. I told in the previous video, the coordinates of the fixed points are denoted by x1, y1, x2, y2. These are the 2 fixed points. See, this is your xy plane. Xy plane means what? X-axis, y-axis and origin. Everything told. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Distance this side is positive, left is negative, up is positive, down is negative. Everything is told. Yes, my friends. Let A x1, y1 and B x2, y2 are the given points. Given points are the given points. We wanted distance between A and B. Join AB. If you join AB, that AB itself is what? Our required distance between the 2 points A and B. Distance between 2 points A and B. Next, construction. Draw AL, BM perpendicular to OX. Perpendicular to OX. Yes, my friend. From A, you have drawn AL perpendicular to x-axis. You have 2 distances. One along x-axis. Along x-axis is x coordinate, x1. OL is x1. AL parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis means y coordinate. Then what is AL? Y1. Along x-axis is x coordinate. Parallel to y-axis is y coordinate. So the value of OL equal to x1 I have written there. And AL equal to y1 I have written there. Next, my friend. BM perpendicular to x-axis, you have 2 distances. One is OM. OM is a distance along x-axis. Gives x coordinate of B. X coordinate of B. BM parallel to y-axis. That gives y coordinate of the point B. What is y coordinate? Y2. Therefore, my friends, OM is x2. BM is y2. I have written there. After writing that, we need one more construction. What is that? Draw AN perpendicular to BM. Draw AN perpendicular to BM. Then you have to find the values of what? When it is a perpendicular, this becomes a right angle triangle. A right angle triangle means what? Great friend Pythagoras. By the Pythagoras theorem, AB square equal to AN square plus BN square. AB square, AN square plus BN square. Yes, my friend. To find AB, you have to find the value of AN, you have to find the value of BN. See, my friend, what is AN from the figure? LN. LN. What is this LN? This LN. What is this, my friend? This is AN, which is nothing but this distance. AN. What is this LM? OM minus OL. What is OM? OM is x2 minus OL is x1. Therefore, my friend, AN is LM. LM is what? OM minus OL. What is OM is x2. What is OL is x1. Therefore, this distance is the bigger minus smaller, x2 minus x1 written. BN, what is BN? BM minus NM. Geometry, what is NM? AL. What is BM? Y2. What is AL? Y1. Therefore, this is Y2 minus Y1. Y2 minus Y1. This, my friend. BN, BM minus NM. This NM is nothing but AL. BM is Y2. See here. BM is Y2, AL is Y1. So this is what? Y2 minus Y1. What is next? ABN is a right angle triangle. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, we have AB square equal to AN square plus BN square. BN square. Put the values AN x2 minus x1 square plus BN y2 minus y1 square. Therefore, AB is the square root of this RHS. What is AB? Distance between the points A x1 y1 and B x2 y2. That distance between the two fixed points is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. This is the required distance formula. Required distance formula. Yes, my friend. This completes this theorem. Yes, my friends. 1 minute copied. 1 minute copied. Oh, my friends, understood? I give once again the highlights, main points of this theorem. Highlights, main points of this theorem. See, in this we want to find the distance between 2 points. This is the figure. XY plane. These are the 2 points in the XY plane. Join them. Draw perpendicular by the basic that coordinates of a point OL x coordinate x1, AL parallel to y-axis y1, OM x2, BM y2. Then draw another perpendicular AN. What is AN? LM OM x2 minus OL x1. BM minus NM. NM is AL, which is y2 minus y2. Then great friend Pythagoras. AB square equal to AN square plus BN square. These are the values. So AB is square root. So the distance between 2 points is this, my friends. Required distance formula. Yes. No. Note. Yes, my friends. AB, distance between 2 points, AB, is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Yes, friend. This can be written as, or this can be written as, it is square root. My friend, I take minus outside. If you take minus outside, x2 minus x1 becomes x1 minus x2. The whole square, yes, my friend, here. What I have done, x2 minus x1 by taking minus outside. I have written x1 minus x2. Square is there, plus same thing here. Take minus outside. It is y1 minus y2 the whole square. Yes, my friend, to simplify it, minus the whole square is plus. So it is square root what? It is x1 minus x2. 5 friends. Minus the whole square is plus. It becomes x1 minus x2. Same here. Minus becomes plus. It is y1 minus y2 the whole square. Therefore, distance between the 2 points x1, y1, x2, y2. Either you can take what? x2 minus x1, second coordinate minus first coordinate, or first coordinate minus second coordinate. You can take any difference. If you take here x2 minus x1, you take y2 minus y1. If you take x1 minus x2 here, you take y1 minus y2. So from this, what is the distance between these 2 points? Distance between the points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2 equal to, this is the square root of, you may take either first minus second or second minus first. First minus second is x1 minus x2, or x2 minus x1 is what above, second minus first. You can take any one. Anyway, it is a difference of x coordinates. Difference of x coordinates. Square of this plus difference of y coordinates. Difference of y coordinates. The whole square. Yes. This difference is either first minus second or second minus first. Same. If you take here first minus second, here also to take first minus second. If you take second minus first, you have to take here also second minus first. My friends, this is the distance formula. Yes, friend. Next, as a particular case, if this is the figure, this is x-axis, positive side, this is y-axis, this is the origin, this is pxy be any point, then this is the OP, distance between origin, or distance of P from the origin. What is it? It is distance of P from the origin. Yes. Distance of any point P, x, y coordinates from the origin. From the origin O, coordinates are 0, 0, equal to, it is square root of x minus 0 the whole square plus difference of y coordinates y minus 0 the whole square equal to, this is square root of x minus 0 x square plus y minus 0 y square. Therefore, it is appeared, my friends, in the question paper under 1 mark question. Question paper under 1 mark question. See, this is appeared like this. Appeared like this. This is appeared in June 2019. 2019. Yes. The distance between, question appeared like this. The distance between origin and the coordinates, or you can say and the point px1 is dash dash. It is the objective type appeared. First option is x square plus y square. Second option x square minus y square. Third option square root x square minus y square. Fourth option square root x square plus y square. Yes, my friend. You know the correct option. Which is the correct option? Correct option is D. Then the answer is, my friends, option D. Option D. X square plus y square. This is how it is appeared. Then same example appeared in J only. Distance formula. Distance formula. Yes, my friends. Please remember this formula. Difference of x coordinates the whole square plus difference of y coordinates the whole square. Either x2 minus x1, otherwise x1 minus x2. Remember. I do the examples now. Examples. Examples. This is J only, 2019. It is appeared under 2-mark question. That is objective 1-mark question. Find the distance between the points. Distance between the points 2, 3 and 4, 1, 4, 1. It is 2-mark question. Tell my friend. Distance D equal to. It is a square root of. I take conveniently first minus second. 2 minus 4. 4 square plus, for the convenience, my friend, first minus second, otherwise second minus first. Square is there, anyway it is a positive only, plus first minus second, 3 minus 1 the whole square, which is square root of minus 2 the whole square plus 2 the whole square equal to, it is square root of 4 plus 4, what is it? Root 8. If you wanted to simplify this, that 8 can be written as what, my friend? 4 into 2. Square root of 4. 2 into root 2. 2 into root 2. Yes, my friends. Very simple examples to ask. Then I do another 2-3 examples from your exercise. Exercise 7.1, my friends. 7.1 examples. Exercise. Examples. Exercise 7.1. 7.1. Right. Find the distance between distance between the following pair of points. Pair of points. Yes, my friend. One example. This first example already I have done one. This is second example. This is -7, -5, 7, and this is -1, 3. -1, 3. Yes. The required distance equal to square root. I take first minus second. -5 minus with this minus is plus. One example I write in detail, my friend. -5 minus the second -1 plus 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 the whole square. Simplified, it is square root. -5 minus of minus is plus 1 whole square. It is plus 7 minus 3 means 4. What is it? It is -4 the whole square plus 4 the whole square. See, my friend, square root -4 square plus square. What is this? It is 32 means it is 16 into 2. 2 times is 16. 2 times is 16 or 16. Yes. Which is 4 into root 2. Simplify. Simplify. Next one. Yes, my friend, this is the formula. I keep it. This is the formula. Yes. Next one. And this is AB and minus A comma minus B. Minus A comma minus B. Tell friends. Tell friends. Yes. Distance D equal to it is square root of A minus with this minus is plus. I write now direct, my friends. Plus first minus second B minus second minus with this minus is plus whole square. Tell friend, it is square root 2A the whole square plus 2B the whole square. What is this? It is square root 4A square plus 4B square. Yes. Simplify for the 4A is common. A square plus B square. What is it? 2 into square root A square plus B square. Tell my friends 5. Square root of 4A is 2. 2 into root A square plus B square. Yes, my friends, it is exercise 7.1. These are the two examples. So do it yourselves. First one, 2, 3, and 4, 1. Second example. 9, 2, 9, 2, and -6, 5, -6, 5. Yes, my friends. Next example is find the distance. Distance of the point 36, 15 from the origin. from the origin. Yes. Require the distance. Tell my friend. From the origin means what? 36 minus 0. 36 the whole square. Plus 15 minus 0. 15 the whole square. Yes, my friend. 36 whole square is 1296. I think I am correct. Plus 15 is 225. Yes, what is this? It is square root of 1521, which is the square root of, this is a square and square root of 39. Square root of 39 the square, then it is 39 itself. 39 itself. Next, my friends, I do just two samples based on trigonometric properties. Trigonometric properties, trigonometric identities, you can say. Note, we know this. Yes, friend. Note. We know already I have completed trigonometry. We know that 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. What is the second property? Second property is 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square is sec square. What is third? 1 plus cot square cosec square. Cosec square. Now I do just one or two examples based on these properties. Yes, my friend. Yes, right. What is the distance between distance between the points P cos theta comma sin theta, Q sin theta comma minus cos theta. Yes, these are trigonometric ratios, my friends. Now you wanted the distance PQ. Distance between the points PQ. Yes, square root. First minus second. Cos theta minus sin theta the whole square plus, what is it? Sin theta minus 2 minus is plus cos theta the whole square. Simplify. What is this? A minus the b whole square plus a plus b the whole square. Yes, write it. It is a square root. This is cos square theta minus 2ab 2 cos theta sin theta plus b square sin square theta. I write this just below this. I put what? Bigger square root like this plus a square sin square plus 2ab sin theta into cos theta plus b square cos square theta. Cos square theta, the square root is there, my friends. These are under the square root. Minus plus cancelled. Minus 2 cos theta sin theta plus 2 cos theta sin theta is cancelled. What is cos square plus sin square? 1. What is sin square plus cos square is 1. Therefore, my friends, it is yes, this is square root. Cos square plus sin square, right? 1. And this is cancelled. Again, sin square plus cos square is 1. Then what is the answer, my friends? Yes. It is an example based on trigonometric identity. First one. Second one is this. Find the distance of the point. Find the distance. Distance of the point A comma A tan theta from origin. Yes. What is this? Distance equal to. It is square root. A minus 0 the whole square. Directly, no need this grammar. Direct A square. What is it? A tan theta minus 0 the whole square. Don't write. You can write directly the next step. It is square root, my friend. A square. What is it? A square tan square. Simplify. Square root. A square is common. It is 1 plus tan square. Tell, what is 1 plus tan square? It is square root. A square, sec square. Tell, it is a sec theta. A sec theta. And this is based on 1 plus tan square is sec square. Square root is a sec theta. This sample you do at home or yourself. Do it yourself. Yes. Find the distance between the origin and the point. This is a cot theta. Otherwise you take simply cot theta. Why? That is should repeat. Cot theta, comma 1. What is it? 1 plus cot square theta. What is 1 plus cot square theta? Cosec square theta. Cosec square, what is the square root of cosec square? Cosec theta. Cosec theta. Yes, my friends, these are some simple examples, verifications based on distance formula. These are good examples under 1 mark, 2 mark questions based on, depends on the examples, examiner. Then comes, my friends, properties of geometrical figures. Geometrical figures means immediately the figure starts dancing in front of us. The figures are. First is a straight line. First figure is a straight line. Yes, my friend, this is the straight line. And what are the examples we can expect? Show that the points lie on the same line. If ABC lie on the same line, then you have to find what? Distance AB, distance BC. If the sum of the distance is AB plus BC equal to AC, then we conclude the points lie on the same line. That is, in other words, called as what? The points are collinear. Collinear means lie on the same line. Collinear. It is the condition for what? Collinearity. Points are collinear. Therefore, to show that the given 3 points are collinear, to show the points A comma B comma C are collinear. Find the distances. Find the distances AB, BC, AC, and if the sum of any two distances equals the remaining, then we say that to show that the points A, B, C are collinear, find the distances AB, BC, AC, and show that what? Sum of any two distances equal to remaining distance, remaining one. Find AB, AC, and show that, or if show that the sum of any two distances equals the remaining one. Then, my friends, one example based on this. Yes, my friends. Show that the points A 5, 1, B 1, -1, and C 11, 4 are collinear, lie on the same line. Collinear. Yes, my friend. First distance AB, square root A 5 -1 whole square plus 1 minus of minus plus 1 whole square. What is it? It is a square root. 5 -1, 4 the whole square. 1 plus 1, 2 the whole square, equal to square root 16 plus 4, which is root 20. Root 20 can be written as square root 4 into 5. What is square root of 4? 2. 2 root 5. This is AB. Distance between A and B. Next is BC. This is a square root. BC 1 minus 11 whole square plus -1 minus 4 whole square. What is this? It is square root minus 10 whole square plus minus 5 whole square, which is square root of 100 plus 25, which is 125. Well, what is this, my friend? 125 can be written as 25 into 5, which is 5 square root into root 5. Root 5. Next, one more distance. What is that distance? AC. Third distance. AC. It is square root. AC 5 minus 11 whole square plus AC 1 minus 4 whole square. It is square root of 5 minus 11 is minus 6 the whole square plus 1 minus 4 is minus 3 the whole square. My friend, what is this? 36 plus 9. 36 plus 9 is 45. That 45 can be written as what? 9 into 5. Square root of 9 is 3 root 5. See my friends, AB 2 root 5, BC 5 root 5, AC 3 root 5. What is your observation? 2 plus 3 is 5 equal to BC. Therefore, we observed that, tell friends, this is AB plus AC. What is AB? 2 root 5. What is AC? 3 root 5. What is this equal to? 5 root 5. What is 5 root 5? 5 root 5 is BC. Therefore, sum of two distances equal to the remaining. If you wanted the figure, my friend, this is B, this is C. My friend, what is AB? 2 root 5. What is BC? 3 root 5. AB is smaller than. AB is smaller than. AB is smaller than AC. AC is 3 root 5. Therefore, AB plus AC is what, my friends? BC. Therefore, points ABC are collinear. Yes, my friend. If you want one more verification based on this itself, determine these are from your exercise 7.1. Determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3, 2, 3, minus 2, minus 11, minus 2, minus 11 are collinear. You have to check it or determine it. Check it, not prove that, just determine whether they are collinear or not. Yes, my friends. Let A, first point 1, 5, B 2, 3, second point, C minus 2, minus 11 are the given points. Then first distance. Then distance AB square root 1 minus 2 the whole square plus 5 minus 3 the whole square. Yes, I write here itself. Simplify. Minus 1 the whole square. It is 2 the whole square, square root. Minus 1 square, 2 square, 4. It is, my friend, root 5. Root 5 is AB. Next is BC. Square root BC. 2 minus of minus plus whole square plus 3 minus of minus plus 11 the whole square. 4 whole square plus it is 14 square. 4 means 16. This is 196. 196 means it is 212. So what is the distance BC? 212. 212. Next is CA or AC, anything you can write. AC. It is square root. 1 minus of minus. 1 minus of minus plus 2 the whole square. 5 minus of minus. This is square root. 3 square plus 16 the square. 3 square is 9. What is 16 square? What is 16 square? 256. It is what? Square root of? It is 265. 265. What is your observation? AB root 5. BC root 1, 212. AC, yes, square root of 265. This gives AB is not equal to BC. Not equal to AC. Implies ABC are not collinear. Not collinear. Yes, my friends, like this, you have the examples based on geometrical figures. This is the example, the check of what? Testing of what? Collinearity of the given points lying on the same line. What is the condition? You have to find the distances AB, BC, CA. Then you have to check sum of any two equal to the remaining. But in this example, what? They are not equal. All the three distances are different. Hence, the points are not collinear. Not collinear. Like this, my friends, you have parallel examples in case of what? Triangle. Another quadrilateral. In a triangle, if you come to the second figure, what is this second figure? Is a triangle. In a triangle, if all the three sides are equal, what is it? Equilateral triangle. Tell my friends. In a triangle, you have to find all the three sides. AB, BC, CA. You have to find all the three sides. Then, if all the three sides are equal, equilateral triangle. If only two sides are equal, isosceles triangle. If they satisfy Pythagoras theorem. What is that Pythagoras theorem? Square of one side equals the sum of squares of the remaining. It is a right angle, equilateral, isosceles. If all the three are not equal, it is a scalar triangle. These are related with a triangle. If it is a quadrilateral, my friends, it is a quadrilateral. This is quadrilateral ABCD. You have to find the sides AB, BC, CD, AD. Yes, my friends, you know. If all the four sides are equal, diagonals equal square. If all the four sides equal, diagonals unequal, rhombus. If pair of opposite sides equal, my friends, it is a square. It is a square. All the four sides equal and the diagonals equal. What is it? It is a rhombus. In this case, all the four sides are equal. All the four sides are equal, but diagonals not equal. And this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. In case of rectangle, pair of opposite sides equal and diagonals equal rectangle. The same figure, what is this? In the case of parallelogram, pair of opposite equal but diagonals not equal. In that case, it is a parallelogram. Some verifications on these figures, man. My friends, I do it in the next video. Yes, my friends. Thank you very much. I hope you are very, very comfortable in coordinate geometry. Only main is what? Your distance formula. Main is distance formula. Distance between 2 points. Difference whole square plus difference whole square. Difference of x coordinates whole square plus difference of y coordinates whole square. Based on that, all these are examples based on this distance formula. I do some 3-4 examples based on quadrilateral triangle. I have already done examples based on this straight line. Yes, friends, be comfortable. Easy. It is a new branch of mathematics. Coordinate geometry is a new branch of mathematics. Remember, Mr. Ka, great person, great philosopher, introduced. He studied the geometry using algebra. He represented equation of a straight line, equations of these curves by algebraic equations. Straight line geometry, algebraic equations is what? Equations is algebra. This is how this friend done what? Union of these two very, very old branches, important branches of what? Algebra and geometry. The new branch, algebraic geometry or coordinate geometry. Yes, my friends. I hope you are happy, comfortable, thinking. Yes. Till to the next class. Bye. Enjoy. Thank you. Namaste. Namaste. Yes, my friends.